Hello and welcome back everyone to our second episode of Enhancements in ABAP Programming. So in our very first episode, we discussed about the features of enhancements, the possibilities and the things that we can do with the enhancements in ABAP system. We already saw that SAP has given hundreds of standard application and based on the customer requirement, we can implement some additional functionality on that using the concepts of enhancements in ABAP programming. Types of enhancements include customer exit, bodies enhancement framework, and user exit. So let's start with the customer exit part and we will see the function module exit here. So function module exit in customer exits. Yes, function module exits in customer exit. So first of all, understand the situation. If you want to implement a customer exit, you will have to follow the approach. The approach is going to be, we will find out the respective exit from SMOD transaction code T code, and then we will implement this exit in the system from CMOD transaction code. CMOD transaction code. So these two are very important thing here in this case. If you want to implement, you must remember these two important transaction codes. So first of all, how we are going to find it out? So we are going to follow our approach. The approach will be how to find here. Let me write steps. So steps to find out the customer exit. Yes. Steps to find out the customer exit. Kindly follow the same to same pattern in your case also. Step 1 is going to be find the program name of the current screen. Yes. So let's take a requirement. I'm opening the system and I'll log in. I'm going to do the login here. And suppose I am going for VA01 for sales order creation. Yes, I am going to VA01 for the sales order creation. And here I am giving a order type. So let's say I'm giving here a order type OR1. This is a standard order type. Let me check. Okay, do not exist in the table. All right, let me go with OR order only. Yeah, it exists in the system. It will take me to the create standard order. There you see for the sales order. Now if I have to find out the program name of this current screen, how I am going to find out? I'll click on the system. I'll go to the status. And there it is, my program name. I'll copy and I'll come out and I'm pasting it down here. This is the program name. Next is going to be step 2. Using the program name, find out the package for the program. What is the package of your program? So how you can find it out? What you are supposed to do is go to AC38, that is ABAP editor. Paste your program name here. Click on the attribute section and click on display. It is going to show your package name. There it is, your package for development of sales order. So there is my package name. So once I have my package, I can go to the step 3. Step 3 is, once we have the package, Then we can go to the S mode transaction code and find out all the possible, yes, find out all the possible customer exits here, all the possible exits that are there. We will follow the same approach. We'll jump to the S mode. So I'll go here /o S mode, and here I'll come to the utilities section and click on find. Now you can simply pass the package name here VA and click on the execute button for our sales order, and there you see a repository information system for exits, and you will have all the exits name that are there for your customer exit. Activating sourcing, residual schedule, determine alternatives, predefined sold to party, collector for the customer function, copy packing proposal, so on to the sales and distribution billing plan here. So if I want to implement it, let's take a requirement. My requirement is a very normal requirement I'm taking. I want this sold to party to be automatically filled every time we are creating a sales order. Whenever we are creating a sales order, I want this sold to party to be automatically filled. And as you can see here in this customer exit, we have got here a exit for predefined sold to party in the sales document. We have got an option here. So accordingly, what we can do, we can use this. If I double click on this, you can see we don't have any screen and includes, but we have here a function module exit. And this is the respective exit name of it. This is the respective exit name of it. Let me check this. I'll go to SE37 and I'll check this display. So I have got a function module. This is a normal function module and pre-assignment of sold to party in sales document. Yeah. So we have found out our customer exit that we can use in this case, and we are going to use the same, this V4580002. Okay. Next approach, we can go to CMOD transaction code and implement it. So let's do it. I'll go to CMOD transaction code and I'll create here my, what should I say, customer exit. I'll go with the create button. Customer exit for sold to party. And I'll go with the enhancement assignment, but I will save it, pass my package, or directly click on the local object, and here I'm going to assign my customer exit. So V4580002, come here and write it down, 0002, and enter. If this project has been already implemented somewhere else, you will get this issue here. If this customer exit has been already implemented somewhere else, you will get it. I see Z project 01, it has been implemented. So I'll go there and unactivate it. Z project 01. I'm going to simply deactivate it. Has been undone, and I'll press enter. Okay, still problem. I'll directly remove it, no issue, because this was created by me only. So I'm removing it. Now I'll come here and press enter again. Same, unable to reflect, no issue. Let's do one thing, refresh it, and I'll create it again. So create or change assignment and paste it. Still showing it belongs to Z Pro 01. All right, let me check. Z Pro 01. Okay. Same issue is going on again. Yeah, now it is done. Once it will be removed from the project where it was implemented, now we can simply check it here, right? So I'll save it. Now I'll go to the component section, and right now it is see it is not yet implemented. So we will go inside the function exit, and you'll see there is an include program given by SAP itself. So we have our include program here, and if you check this particular function module exit, there you see in the export section, we have got our customer number. So here, whatever customer number you are going to pass, exactly that customer number is going to be sent here. So I'll open it here, and for you, I will enter a value for customer number, Gunnar. Okay, let me bring back the type first again, export. There is the parameter. Get back to the code, open the include program, and change it. I'm writing here my customer number as this one, and I'll simply activate the code. So once it is activated, now you can get back, and as you can see here, my project is not yet activated. So I'll get back, and I'm going to activate the project. I'll activate my project here. So my project got activated. And if I check the components, see all of them are in green status. So now if I go to VA01, yeah, if I go to the sales order creation section, things will change this time. Still not opened. Okay, I think it's taking time. I'll go with VA01. That's it, let it be opened. And pass the order. So the moment we'll pass the order type, it will enter, and you'll see here automatically the sold to party is getting popped up. Correct. So once it is done, I'll come here and I'm going to simply unactivate the project. I don't want it to be applied for everyone, and it is undone, but I will delete it for us. Yeah, I'm going to simply delete it. So as you can see, you can find out the customer exit, and then you can implement it from the CMOD transaction code, and you will be able to get the changes. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please do subscribe our channel, and you can also explore the exclusive courses on the membership on our channel, and I will see you in the next episode. So till then, keep learning. Bye bye.